This station is presented by a robotic arm and conveyor belt, which operated by PLC and vision camera. We have different modes and different applications that run conveyor with different product. Kishan will explain to you how this machine works in one of the modes.
So this is an application that has a conveyor line which runs samples, but the conveyor line has to only run if it receives a good sample. So we have a quality control section even before you run the main application, where the good samples and the bad samples are separated, and only the good samples go onto the main line, and the main line runs the final application. So just to give you an example, this is a good product and this is a bad product, and we've determined them by taking pictures of both samples and putting them into the vision system and saying this is a good product and this is a bad product. This is the in-feed area where I'm about to load the bad product. The vision system takes a snapshot, sends it to the PLC, and the PLC commands the robot to come in and pick up the part and move it to the area designated for the bad parts. And once it's in there, the robot returns to its original position, and we have a cylinder which pushes the sample into a box. Now we have a good product, and once I load the good product, this product is going to be sent to the main line, and the conveyor is going to run it, and we'll see what happens. So the same thing happens again. The vision system picks up the signal, the robot comes in, it picks up, but instead of putting it in the bad section, it puts it into the in-feed area. So as soon as it releases, the robot comes back to its original position, and it kicks in, and now it's in the main conveyor line. As soon as the conveyor line runs, this object moves to the far end of the conveyor line, where its position will be picked up by a sensor. And as soon as the sensor goes on and detects the presence of this object, the robot comes in and picks this object and takes it to the good part area. So this was the robotic conveyor station, which operates on about 400 lines of code, and it has been done by students at the PLC lab at the University of Bridgeport.